product assembly, and I would like to acknowledge the presence or ISDA, the representative, processing officer, Mark, and DC manager, Jeremy Tanjog, and ISDA Provincial Police area and Berlin. Before we start, I collect your confirmation slip. Please acknowledge and by raising your hand and sign the attendance sheet. Ramon Montenegro.
Sabay, pakira mo muna sa ito.
Tidak pang tinta.
The dots inside the competency assessment center follow the security policy and procedure, follow the rules and use of facilities. If you have concern, questions, or needs for you to clarify matter concern in the assessment to reach, and because I'm ready to assess you, once the assessment started, please refrain from asking questions. It's no longer allowed drones using cell phone during assessment, and talking pictures, leaving the premises of the photo, forming the scissor or any stuff. Is currently implementing the certificate systems starting 9 March 2025 until December 31, 2025. They will running a parallel time implementation. These things that you have an option to order receipt for traditional temporary national certificate, NC or OPT for the newly inclusive certificate. If you achieve a competent result in your assessment and choose the certificate, your national certificate will be sent to your provide email address within 1 day after the assessment. It is crucial to ensure that the email address to provide in the application form is accurate. We also intend that need to be consider if there are illegal practices. Just tell me so that I can allow you to observe it. Whether you are required to prove your respective religion. For example, if you need to pray at specific time this day, tell me, and I will allow you for those candidates who need to take their dedication, maintenance, and within the duration of or assessment, just inform me, and I will allow you to take your dedication. For competencies, we have assembled electronic products, services, consumer electronic products, and system and service, industrial electronics, module products, and system. The task to be performed for electronics products at the same assessment of the following. Perform basic electronic component soldering. In assessment procedure, after the assessment, if you're found to be not yet competent, that worry about it because you can do the assessment anytime at your own convenience. assessment and full qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment process. If you are found to be competent, and so the unit of competencies, the assessment should focus in the unit of competencies where you are found to be not yet competent. Also, if you fail to take assessment, you will be advised to undergo repetition course before applying for assessment. And the requirements during the actual assessment, please observe same as you perform different tasks. Make sure to check if your electrical or plumbing equipment for plugging it. Avoid pulling the cord as you unplug the equipment. Observe proper body mechanics. If the head equipments to avoid back injuries. In case of accident, please all escalation immediately so that you can provide your first aid. So you need to rise up first aid comments located on the right side. requirements. This relevant certificates will be taken the numerous case the provisional district of office for the application of the dry cell, that is the approval to the responsible for verifying the precise authenticity of the NCPOs for fixing the dry cell service that will be provided free of charge. He will provide each candidate a copy of the specific instruction of the candidate. If you don't have any questions or clarification, then I'm going to distribute the specific instruction. Please read them verbally and do not hesitate to ask questions right now. May be able to translate to your local dialect. If you need assistance, then I will be more than willing to assist you. Provide each candidate a copy of the specific instructions to the candidate. Instruct the candidate one to proceed to the assessment area while the other candidates start by the waiting area. So everybody must be ready. Now candidate number one to make this proceed to the assessment area and for the